Oof, 1,000 pips. We did it, team. We did it. All right. So 1,000 pips. We did it, guys. Let me show you how we did it. Man, I'm super excited. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here to strategy. Okay. Go right over here to strategy. And then we're going to click on master trades. Okay. All right. Click on master trades. Master trades. Okay. After we get on master trades, oh, US 30 is in profit. Okay, good job. Then we're going to click on what is GBP USD is looking good too. We caught it over here, but we just missed it to catch it on this side. That would have been amazing. But the trade that we're looking at is GBP NZD. Here it is. Actually, we did more than 1,000 pips. The pound right now, guys, understand this. The pound is so volatile right now. Okay, look at this. The pound is so volatile. We've been in this trade for so long that go ahead and share the feed, team. Share the feed. Jason, let me see the remote. Turn the volume down on the TV just a little bit. Yep. Let me see the remote. You can't have both TVs on. Okay, have a seat right there real quick. So we've been in this trade so long. Like, look at this, the scroll. Here's where we started at. We started down here. Okay. Started down in this area here. This was on July 28th. We've actually been in this trade, team, for, let's count the days, just in today, 25 days. We've been in this trade for 25 days. The longest trade that I've been in. Okay. The longest swing trade on levels. Okay. 1,000 pips. And I told you all, I said, this market is going to hit 1,000 pips. We started from here. Now, understand what 1,000 pips equal. Okay. Understand this. Let's go over to the daily time frame. You can see how clear this was. Okay. So when we go over to the daily time frame, now you can understand why we caught this trade all the way from the bottom. Okay. We caught it all the way from the bottom. And some people might ask, why or how? What did you see? Okay. What did you see in the market that told you that this market was going to rise for 1,000 pips? Okay. So the first thing, and then I'm going to show you a few areas. Okay. I'm going to show you a few areas where when I first marked this up, when I first marked this chart up, okay, I'm going to be honest with you. I was going for like 1,300 pips. And here's the reason why I was going for 1,300. The reason why I was going for 13 because I saw this gap right here. The market was all the way down here. Okay. It was all the way down here. And I saw this gap that was sitting over here. And I said to myself, I said, whoa, we didn't close that gap yet. Okay. The pound is bullish. We didn't close that gap. So this is what we got to do. Let me go ahead and move this out the way. Okay. So as I was seeing this trade, I saw the gap right there. Okay. Started drawing my setups like this. Okay. For everyone who comes to my session, you already know what we look for when we draw these setups. So the first thing I did was I drew my setup just like this. And I said to myself, I said, okay, boom, 1 and 2, and then just stretch it out. Cool. 1 and 2 and stretch it out. Okay. These are all the steps I did the night before the trade. Okay. The night before the trade, all the steps I did. Cool. I trapped it in the channel. Okay. Trapped it in the channel. And I saw that the market had just broke out. Okay. Saw that the market had just broke out right around this level here. When that market broke out right around this level, there's something else that I saw. I saw this. Okay. I saw this. Boom, boom. See that? See that bounce right there? See that bounce? I saw that bounce. Okay. I saw that the market had came down here. And then with that breakout, I said, oh, yes, yes. We out, team. We out. I saw that breakout. Boom. The night before, I said, no way. I said, we're taking this. And if you were on my call this week on Go Live, this is what I taught all week on Go Live. I said, no, this is it. We out. We out. Let's go. Okay. This is the trade that we sent out. Okay. So I said, oh man, this is going to be amazing. So I said, okay. So I started doing something like this. I said, wow, we went from here to here to here. And I said, this market is going to rise. This market is going to rise. I said, here it comes. This market is going to rise. So I started doing my measurements. Okay, started doing my measured moves. And when I started doing my measured moves, I said, okay, I know where we're going now. I know exactly where we're going. And that's what made me stop at the 1,000 pip mark right there. I said, oh, man. I said, okay. All right, so let me go ahead and send this out. I was just so excited when I sent this trade out. All right, I couldn't even sleep. I sent this trade out like around, let me see. I sent this trade out. Let's go to Pip Talk. Okay, we're going to go to im.center. Okay, we're going to go to im.center real quick. Let me stop sharing. Share. Chrome tab, im.center. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and log into im.center because I want to show you when I sent this trade out. So I went to Pip Talk. Okay, went to Pip Talk. Scroll down, click on levels. Like I said, it was 25 days ago. Okay. 25 days ago. 25 days ago. So I was sending you updates 1 week ago. New levels update, GBP NZD 7. Look, this is when we were at 769 pips. Okay. New levels update, 769 pips. Okay, cool. All right, that was cool. All right. So now I also gave GBP USD possible swing trade, 1,400 pips. Right. Yep. So here's a GBP USD trade that I actually called out 1 week ago. Okay. 1 week ago, GBP USD, we were looking for an entry around 29,040. So keep this in mind. The market was at 130,890. Keep that in mind. Focus on this. This is GBP USD. Okay. So I'm looking at a 1,400 pip target. All right. Well, not 1,400, but what was that? 29,040. Give me 1 second. 29,040 GBP USD. Let me show you. I think it was like another 1,000 pip. Okay, go to New York, GBP USD. Okay, we were at 29,040. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pull up the screen. Okay, all right, right around that area there. And so far, the market is currently at. All right, so I'll leave that over there for you. 1 second. Okay, so let me go back over here to im.center. Well, right here. So target is at 40365. Okay, 40365. Okay, level 40365. Oh, that's going to be beautiful. All right, 40365. All right, 40365. So perfect. So that target is going to give me, yep, another 1,000 pips. All right, so we'll come back to that in a second. Let me just finish up this real quick. Okay, we'll come back to that in a second. USD JPY. Okay, what's this? 1 week ago, this was screenshot for, I think it was like US 30. Which one was this one? NAS 100. Okay, some beautiful setups 1 week ago. 1 week ago. Right, GBP, JPY, boom, 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 CAD, JPY, BTC, all right, GBP, USD, 2 weeks ago. Man. Okay. Oof. All right, about a month ago. All right, so about a month ago, here was a test. CAD, JPY, boom, 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 boom. Where is it? New trade idea, GBP, USD. Oh, no. We called it on Go Live. Sorry about that. We called it on Go Live. Okay. So, yeah, we called that trade on Go Live. Okay. So now we're going to go back to the level system. And I want to show you. Okay. Perfect. What's going on? What's going on, everyone? Let's go back to the level system. Now, remember that I'm going to record the entire screen so I don't have to go back and forth. Perfect. Let me record the entire screen. Now, remember that GBP USD trade we were talking about? Here we go. I'm going to show you. A GBP USD trade that we were talking about. I want you guys to see where it is. Okay. Don't you hate when you can't find something when you're just so anxious? Here it is right here. GBP USD swing trade. So GBP USD around 38.90, and I want the target at 43.65. 38.90 and 43.65. Perfect. So we go over here to the GBP USD, 38.90. No, not 38.90, 30.90. 38.90. Yep. So that's where the market was at, swinger. Put in 38.90. This is where the market was at. Okay. Market was around that level. We had a dip in there just like that. It was on the daily time frame. This is where I saw that. Here we go. Perfect. Since then, that market has went up 180, and this is my target. 955. Okay, 955. Why do I want it to go there? Okay, 955 is my target. If we can get out of all of this noise right here, get out of all of this noise. Come on, stop jumping. Okay, if we can get past this noise. This is going to be a hard part right here. Okay, the struggle right here is going to be real. If we can break through this, showtime. Okay, if we can break through this level, game over. Okay, if we can break through that level, game over. Okay. But again, we're going to have a hard time around this area here. Just like on GBP NZD, master trades, GBP NZD. Okay. See this? Here's where on GBP NZD, notice on the smaller time frame, we had a hard time around the 800 pip mark. Okay. Around this area. Hard time. Okay. Then we also had a struggle around the 500 pip mark. Okay. Around this area, we had a struggle here, but we didn't quit. But let me show you something. Okay. This is the reason why we didn't quit. Because if you switch over to a higher time frame like the daily, it all makes sense. It's not a struggle. What was it on the daily? You see on the smaller time frame how you see this whole bunch of consolidation. All right. On the first move, 540 pips. Type 5 inside the box if y'all understand what I'm doing right now. If y'all understand what I'm doing right now, if you understand why I said it was a struggle around this zone, okay, and then just scale up to a higher time frame, it'll all make sense. Okay, because if you're hanging around a smaller time frame, everything is going to make you feel like, oh no, it's going to start going the opposite way. I'm going to exit the trade. But here's the reason why I didn't panic. You see all this noise right here? Watch this. Watch this. Look at all the noise. Watch this. Eliminate the noise. The market drops down. The market pulls back. Include the wicks. Okay. Find the next low. Market drops down. The market pulls back. Find the next low. The market drops down. Okay, cool. Perfect. And then the market pulls back. Now we got a double bottom, right? Now I need to find the next high that's going to break out of this one here. Okay. Where's the next high? Where's the next high? Where's the next high? All of this is continuation, continuation, continuation. Okay. Boom. Market comes here and then it stops here. My question is, why did the market stop here? The market stopped here because of this. Boom. Now, guess what? I'm back in this trade. I'm entering another trade right here. Boom. There's my next entry right around that zone. Okay. Why would I panic? Why would I panic? Okay. There's no reason to panic. Okay. You have to know why you're in that trade, why you're entering that trade. Why would I panic? And then around the 800 mark, guess what the market did? Went up, broke this high, made a new high here. Why did it come back to the 700 pip? This is where everybody panicked and freaked out and was ready to close around the 700 pip. Why? All we doing is retesting this. Remember this zone right here? That's all we doing. Oh, okay. And then guess what? Boom. Boom. Come on. Look at what I just showed you. All of these levels. Look at this. 350 pip mark, that was the zone. 500 pip mark, that was the support of the breakout. Okay? Support of the breakout. The 700 was the resistance and the support of this breakout. The 850 was the resistance. The 900 was the breakout and retest. All right? The 1000 was back to close the gap. Some of you just being spectators right now. Yeah. Some of you are spectators right now and not even taking notes, not even understanding why. See, let me tell you the beauty about the academy. Okay? Let me tell you the beauty about the I Am Academy. You see, with the academy, we have multiple different products and services. Multiple different products and services. Okay? You guys know the products and services that the academy have. Okay? A lot of those products and services, you're going to get the market ideas. Okay? A lot of those products and services, you're going to get the market ideas. Okay? The market could possibly do this. The market could possibly do that. Okay? And as a new member of the academy, a lot of you're using the products and services and you're saying, I like this one because they give me market ideas. You know, they help me while I'm learning. Okay, they help me while I'm learning. Okay, perfect. So now with the products and services that we have in the academy, you can choose which one you want to use, which one you're comfortable with. So if you decide you want to use product A, B, C, or D, you can use it. Okay. But here's the thing about the level system. Okay. With the level system, what are we doing? We're keeping the what the I Am Academy is about. It's a learning platform. Okay. Because why do people join the academy? All right. A lot of people misunderstanding the whole purpose behind joining the I Am Academy. It's to learn. Why do you go to school? Why do you go to certain universities? Because you want to learn. And when you graduate, you want to go out to the real world and apply everything that you learn so you can have the potential of earning or making a compensation. Okay. So with the academy, it's to learn and apply what you learn. So with the level system, is to learn, apply what you're learning. You see, most people they come on, they say, hey, Oran, you don't send out that many market ideas. You don't send that many market ideas, man. I like what you're doing. I like your teaching, but I want the market ideas. Okay. Well, one person may feel that we don't send out enough, and another one may feel that the education that we're teaching is powerful enough to get them to the next level. So take a look at this person here, Willie King. Okay. Just from using the level system. And this is not from the market ideas. This is from Willie King's own analysis. Okay. Here's another one that I want to show you. This person here, I'm just waiting for it to load up. I was going to mark it up. Well, not mark it up, but post it this morning. I think her name is Shay. Brand new to the level system. Brand new to the level system. And you guys to see this. You gotta see where it is. I don't know why it's not loading all the way. Yeah. I don't know why my system is not loading. Let me stop sharing real quick. Let me stop sharing real quick and go and load this up real quick. Y'all might not want to leave yet. All right, y'all might not want to leave. I'm gonna load this up real quick. Share it with you. Oh, okay. Because this one I want to show you. Hey, get those profits out of here. Okay, here it is right here. Perfect. All right, I got it. This is Shay Gaines. Okay, I want to show y'all something. All right, let me just go ahead and share again. Share. All right here. And let me help you guys understand, because I don't want anyone to feel that the Right Way Academy is something that I'm doing on the side. No, let me clear something up. The Right Way Academy is not anything that I'm doing on the side. The Right Way Academy it's my last name, and it's the academy. You know, so I just put my last name with the word academy. It's not anything that I'm doing on the side apart from I Am. It's all of I Am. Okay. So the Right Way Academy is just a place for you to put your homework. It's not a place for you to go in and cross recruit or submit anything like that. So I want to make sure that everyone understands why you are here. It's just a place for you to submit homework using the levels system. Okay, I think we're clear on that now. So now, here's a person, Shay Gaines. Good morning. First post here. Getting out of my comfort zone. Go live ID is, okay, looking for feedback. I'm new to levels. Okay, so let's take a look at this. CHFJPY. She's new to levels. She's getting out of her comfort zone. Okay, so with this trade right here, okay, I don't know if Shay is on the call, but with this trade right here, she saw the left shoulder, the market broke out, and the head. So she called a sell around 117,400. This is CHF JPY. And then she wanted the market to drop down, retest, and get into another position right here. So let's go ahead and pull up CHF JPY on the level system. Okay, let's see if Shay was right. Okay, so we're going to look for CHF JPY, same time frame that she was on. And I want you guys to tell me if you see exactly what Shay marked up, the before and after. Okay, so she marked up this right here to be her sell position right around here. That was her sell. So I want you to see this, the same setup. There it is. That's her sell. The market wasn't even there yet. Okay, the market wasn't even there yet. So that was the first part, right? The second part, she wanted to see the market drop and break below this zone here. Okay. So as you can see, the market breaks below, come back and drop down. Okay. Then she also had a trend line that was rising up from this level here. Perfect. And that's where she wanted the market to bounce off of. Okay. So when we look at this, this is what the market did. It did exactly what she predicted. Look at this. Everything, boom, 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 bounces right off of that level. Now, I don't know about you, team, but I'm telling you right now, the IM Academy works. The IM Academy works. Now, let me ask you something. Okay, for everyone that's on this call right now. Okay, for everyone that's on this call, I want you to take a look at her work. How many people? Because I'm tired of hearing the, oh, I don't want to join IM Academy because all they do is recruit. All right. I pulled up to the CVS the other day, and this guy saw my license plate when he was walking out because my license plate says Bitcoin, and he saw that my tires also say Bitcoin. So as he's walking past, you know, he's waving to get my attention. I saw him, and he was like, "Hey, I see that you trade Bitcoin." I said, "Yeah." I said, "What about you?" He said, "Yeah, man, I teach people how to trade it." I said, "Oh, that's what's up, man." I said, "Maybe we can connect and collaborate on, you know, on some things." And he said, "Oh, cool, cool, cool." I said, "Have you heard of the IM Academy?" And he said, "Nah, man. Look, I'm gonna tell you, man. I do my own thing because the IM Academy, all they do is focus on recruiting. So, you know, I do my own thing. I sell my own product." I said, "Oh, really? So the IM Academy is just recruiting?" He said, "Yeah, man, I can make more money, you know, trading than going out there and talking to people about it." I said, "Let me ask you something right now. You're selling your own product, right? Okay. I'm glad for you that you're selling your own product. But in order for your business to scale up, you have to do what? You have to share the business side so your product or you can make a second stream of income on the other side, correct?" He said, "Yeah, but it's different." So explain to me, what's the difference between what the optional side that the IM Academy have versus what you're doing? He said, "Oh man, but you know, that's what everybody do over there." It appears that you're doing the same thing, but you're just doing it for yourself. I said, don't knock something amazing that the Academy is offering right now for the people. So team, if any one of you are standing on the sideline right now because you heard something like that, oh, it's just a recruiting thing. Trust me when I tell you, you see right now, I just gave out 1,000 pip trade. You're looking at the screen right now, Shay Gaines taking everything that she learned, and applied it. How many people did Shay have to talk to mark this chart up? She didn't talk to anyone. Okay, she just posted on social media, and 19 comments are people talking to her. So she went from being the hunter So now the people are hunting her, saying, wow, look at this. Very good. This is nice. Make sure you put your pending order for the sell limit. Nice setup. Let's go. Look, and then Shay came back and said, hey, I got my money. Look at this. She came back because the market is doing exactly what she wanted it to do. Hey, I got my money. Okay. Look at this, team. Amazing. Okay. Orchards came in and said, hey, that's beautiful. And then Orchards came right behind and said, hey, I drew my lines. All the V's. UCAT, I saw a possible inverted. Okay. This is amazing. So when we go over to levels, to the level system, we can see that you guys are applying everything that you're learning. Okay. Everything that you're learning. This stuff is amazing. Okay. So I don't want you to be afraid of anything. When it comes to the level system, we are truly educating you. Again, if anyone is sitting on the sidelines, you're saying to yourself, man, I want to get back in. I want to get back in, but I'm nervous. I want to get back in, but my friend told me don't do this. Your friend is not paying your bills. Okay. There are so many people right now learning from the system. Okay. So many people right now learning from the system. Okay. Look at everybody doing their homework. Homework on time. No more excuses. Okay. No more excuses. Homework is done. Look at this, team. Everybody is dropping their homework. This is what the academy is about. Okay. This is what the academy is about. Let me check that real quick. So don't be afraid. Get started with the team. Okay. Find someone. Okay. Find someone to sponsor you. Find someone to sponsor you in the IM Academy. The moment they sponsor you, come to me and let me train you. Okay. Come to me and let me train you. Let me show you what we're doing over here. Okay. Here's the thing. IM Academy gives you what? 7 days. They give you 7 days to try it out. Okay. How many days do they give you to try it out? 7. 7 days to try it out. If you don't like it, get your money back. Anything that has a guarantee, money back, it's for me. You got 7 days to try it out. But here's the thing. On your first day, okay, set up broker account. First day, day number 1, set up broker account. Okay. Day number 2, day number 1, you can set up your broker account. Don't even take that long. Okay. 2 to 3 hours. Okay. Fund your account. Okay. On day number 1, set up MT4. Okay. On day number 1, all of this don't even, within an hour, you can get all this stuff set up. Okay. Set up your MT4. This is day number 1. Okay. Take your time. Set it up. How do you get sponsored? Perfect. You know, it would be selfish of me to say, find anyone to sponsor you, but you're listening to my voice right now. So wouldn't it be cool if you can get sponsored by the person who's actually teaching you? Yeah. All right, cool. Inbox me. I'll sponsor you. Okay. Set up your MT4 on day number 1. Okay. Another thing you're going to do is get set up. Okay. Set up your group chats. Okay. Set up your group chats. Okay. Day number 1. Start first lesson of the IM Academy. Okay. It's in the first 24 hours. In the first 24 hours. Boom. Okay. On day number 2, start the second lesson of the academy. Start the third lesson of the academy. Start the fourth lesson. Guess what? By day number 7, you're not even focused on getting a refund, because guess what you're doing? You're learning. Okay? You are learning by day number 7. And then if you're the group that you're a part of, okay, and if you're using the products and services, once you've been taught to use it, okay, you can potentially earn while you are learning. Oh, by day number 7, you're saying, "Oh man, I made $1. I made $2, whatever it was." No, there's no guarantees. But by day number 7, here's the reason why most people quit. Because on day number 15, they are just getting started. By day number 15, they're just getting started. What? And then you ask the question, why are you just getting started right now? Work, school, my lover, whatever the excuse is. So why did you sign up? Team, I'm going to tell you right now, if anyone on this call inbox me and tell me that you're ready to get started, okay, the only question I'm going to ask you is, why are you signing up now if all of this is an issue? Work, school, your lover, distractions. Do not inbox me if this right here is a distraction to you. I'm going to be honest with you. And if anyone on this call say, "Hey, if Oran not going to sign you up, I'll do it. Run. Because what's going to happen is 30 days from now, what are you going to say? It was a scam. 30 days from now, you can say it was a scam. The last thing anyone is ever going to put on my name is dirt. The past 5 years, I've never had anyone screenshot me. I've never had anyone call me a scam. And I've seen it a lot in the industry. I've never had anyone said, "Oran, he took advantage of me." Never had that. Here's the reason why. Because the way I qualify people, I'm not in it for the money. I'm not in it for your that extra money, because I can make money doing this. We just caught 1,000 pips. I just caught 1,000 pips on GBP and ZD. So you think I'm in it for a commission of, what is the commission? $25? You think I'm in it for a $25 commission? Okay, think about it. I'm not in it for a $25 commission. I'm in it to help you. Okay? I'm in it to help you. Okay? Because think about it right here. Even on a 0.01, the potential earnings on 1,000 pips would have been $100. 0.10, potential earnings, okay, on 1,000 pips is 1,000. Okay? On a standard lot size, the potential earnings, $10,000. Okay? So a lot of you know that I've been in this for a while. So my potential earnings is a lot more than a $25 commission. My goal is to help you get to the next level. So if you're tired of sitting on the sideline, all right, if you're tired of sitting on the sideline and you're ready to jump in, just do it. Okay? Just do it. Just remember, when you come over, it's not going to be easy. And I'm not going to talk to you like you're a 2-year-old or 3-year-old. I'm going to treat this as if you're in a boot camp, military style. Why? Because I need to push you to your fullest potential. All right. The reason why all of us are here in the academy It's because we haven't been pushed to our fullest potential when it comes to learning. We're stepping into a foreign territory. Stepping into a foreign territory. A lot of us don't understand how money works. We're not financial advisors. Most of us didn't major in finance. The only thing we're good at is spending money. Okay? I'm not a financial advisor. There's my disclaimer right there. I'm not going to promise you that you're going to make any money. But what I will tell you is that if you apply, you will learn. Okay? You will learn. So if you quit on me today, I promise you that you're still going to walk away with knowledge. Even if you quit on me, you're still going to walk away with knowledge.